Hello dears, how are you? First of all, I wish you good health and beautiful family life. And came with the new season. It's a corner side or the creative development inside the Android development. So multiple styles inside the text view in Android with the Android Studio 4.0. So let's see how our output will be look like. It will have certain HTML tags which will work as in multiple styles inside the text view with the Android. Likewise, bold, italic, and strike through, and all those things. Let's start. So, as per the guideline, Android Studio 4.0, check for the updates, and if update is available, then update your Android Studio IDE. Understanding of view binding means we are going to use view binding which replaces the find view by IDs. So let's start multiple styles inside the text view in Android. So go with the new project with empty activity inside Android Studio 4.0, and it is OTS means one time step view binding enable equals to true. So make sure your internet connection is on. Let's do go to file and new project, go to next, give the name likewise demo style and click on finish. I am going over here and build.gradle file. It is not dependency, so just type view binding enabled equals to true. There is no semicolon. Make sure your internet connection is on and click on sync now. So after that, there is no necessary to do code of find view by ID inside the view. So view binding capabilities is completely added to our project. So go to our step number 1. Inside the step number 1, we will have that one text view within the scroll view. Scroll view means if the minimum size or the our text view is larger than the height of our screen, then it will support us. So let's do that types of coding inside activity underscore main. So first I make it background with black color, okay, and after that I also give the ID at the red plus ID and give the name TV display. Okay, inside that just I set the padding of 10 dp. So over here you can also we will have scroll view. So width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and close it down the end tag of scroll view over here. Cut these values top to top of, bottom to bottom of, left to left of, and right to right of to scroll view. So I think most of the thing is done. So height and width are okay. If some message you want to display first, then I will say display. Then text size will be 30 sp and text color will be white. So I think it's okay with our view. Just one more padding of 10 dp over here. So just I am checking what happened to this view. Okay, all the things are right and correct as per the method, as per our desire. So also you can set certain another things likewise values or whatever the things you want to set, you can set according to that, but up to now it is okay. So step number 1 is over. So going to main activity.java, where certain code of activity main binding, view binding code, and after that we are going to set text with html dot from html tag, whatever the tag we want to set as per the html. So your knowledge of html, it will be used over here. So let's do the coding. So going to main activity.java, activity main binding is the class name, activity main binding. It is automatically generated class, and make the variable for that. After that, for the view binding purpose, if you don't want to give the find view by id, Then we are using this one, activity main binding dot inflate get layout inflator, and press semicolon. It will, we have to replace this set content view to binding dot get root. So binding dot get root. After that we are going to set with setting binding dot tv display dot set text. Whatever the text matters, we want to set it over here. Likewise, HTML Android dot text is the package of HTML. This we are going to use this class. HTML dot from HTML is the tag. What are the string resources we want to set? We need to set it within this one. So we are going to set first. Likewise, you can set within the double quote. So I will set B tag first, bold text. If you want to set the bold text, then you can directly write bold text and /b. So after that, if you want, then break it down and use the BR tag. You can, if you want to concatenate all those things, then you can also do by this way. Likewise, double quote and plus, and use this tag and double quote plus and last double quote. So whatever the thing you want to set, you can set it on your own. It's for bold text, it will work as in bold element inside that. Then if you want to write certain tag, likewise underline, then I will write directly underline text and make it with the /u and br tag. Again plus sign with the double quote. I want to use I tag for the italic purpose. So italic style will be added to this particular. Then I will copy this br tag. I think it's good for me. So double quote, and after that, if you want, if you are aware with the certain other tag, likewise big tag is there for the big text, then you can add it by that way. Already I added br sign to this one. So big, and you know the tags of HTML, another tag is small. So you can set it by this way also, small text. Again, I already copied the br tag, plus sign. Again, we are going to set with certain other tags also. Likewise, strike. So strike through your text. If you want to set by that way, then you can text, likewise strike text. After that, just I want to set some practice with the other one also. So strong is one more tag which will support inside the Android. So strong text, I want to write strong text, then plus sign is added over here. Again, tally type text is also supported. Likewise, if you want to set TT tag and tally typed text, then you can set it by that way also. So just we visit which types of tags are HTML tags are supported inside the Android. So one more practice or hands-on exercise for the emphasize, EMPH SIS, then write the text. Whatever the starting tag, you need to end tag inside the HTML. So HTML is not cache sensitive like Java. So first of all, these things you have to matter. For this one is for creative tag, CITE tag, creative work. Okay, I know that it is creative work because many times someone asking to me that multiple style can be supported inside the text view within the one text view only. So I am trying to justify this one. So SUP, you know that superscript, and end with the SUP and BR tag. Okay, I will try for the maximum one. So another is SUB tag. You can write that SUB and BR tag with that superscript and subscript. You can use it as per your knowledge. Another tag, if you know that it's a P tag is there. Likewise P, and first I use /P. After that, just I want to write within the P tag, I want to use style. If you want to use style, then if you want to add setting with the double quote, you have to add it with by that way. Then color colon, whatever the color you want to set. Likewise, I want to set it to yellow tag. Then this is a paragraph. Okay, so it is just for the knowledge. And double quote, another, if you want to set, likewise h1 tag is another useful tag. Then I will press br and just I write inside the h1 text. Okay, so I think I'm going to last one, it is h2 tags. So I think it will be helpful for you if you want to set multiple styles within one single text view. So tally type text and stress text and site, all those things already we have done with this one. Just I press shift F10. Let's see what happens at the output. So try to set multiple styles within one text view inside Android. I'm sure you will like it because you can do many tasks within if you have the knowledge of HTML. So HTML tags will be implemented in this one Android. So bold, underline, italic, big, small, strike through, strong, teletype tags, stress, emphasize text, creative work. Okay, superscript and subscript. You can know that what is superscript and subscript, and that is work over here. So h1 tag, and yes, this is h2 tags. So one thing I will do it, that just I'm making the reverse thing, sub over here and superscript over here. So just if you want to implement certain with the other thing, just I remove one br tag. So just press shift F10. So you know that what is subscript and superscript at the with the knowledge of HTML tag, which will be useful inside the Android. So see these ones, subscript and superscript. This is the paragraph. So I think it's a good example that it is work over here. So multiple styles within one text view, you can use it inside the Android. Very helpful as per my perspective if you work with this one. So as per the commitment, our superscript subscript output is ready with this one. So HTML tags list, I'm going to share with you that which tags will work over here. Press your screenshot and PUI, ULLI, DU, span, strong, B, and whatever the tags which will work, HTML tags within the Android text view. So it is also solution of, is it possible to have multiple styles within one text view or inside the text view inside Android, or HTML tags can work in Android inside the text view. So I think you like it. For more update regarding Android Studio 4.0, subscribe this channel, share it with your friends. So completed within the 2 steps, multiple styles inside text view in Android. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Keep coding, be happy, and subscribe this channel, like it, share with your friends. Thank you very much.